are here.
Now it's the third. Is that acceptable now?
So, dito kami kakain ng lunch. Umami. A Chinese food. Nga tayo huling kumain dito. Oh, mahangin ah. Welcome to Umami. Umami Restaurant. Hello. Saan tayo dati? Parang dito tayo dati oh. Dito tayo? Ayan, yan siya, dito tayo.
Self-service. Associate na eh.
Barbecue.
Where is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is nice.
Huh?
Yeah.
Chicken or beef?
Beef.
No. 16.
Chicken?
16.
Ah.
Okay.
Nakakita ka na?
Ito tom yung soup, isa. Tapos kanin, tapos mag-order ka rin ng isa para mag-share. Hindi natin
So,
What is
chicken. Sweet and sour.
sweet and sour?
Won't
Chicken?
break your bank.
Okay.
Sweet and sour.
Saan yung ayun nila yung gusto ko na ano?
What
It
is
says,
your plain rice or
order at the
fried
table.
rice?
Yeah?
Order at the table.
Or you still have to go back.
Order at the table also.
Ano ibig nila sabihin na
So
order?
maybe they coming here. Huh?
Yeah, you have to go back. Swiss and chicken, egg fried rice. Swiss and chicken, egg fried rice.
Egg fried rice.
Sige, sige. Saan ba yung gusto ko dito? Parang wala akong gusto dito ha. Saan yung ano, beef na ano? Ano nga ang tawag doon?
Beef fried. Beef.
Oh,
Ito merong ano. Ito.
Ito. Black bean sauce ba yung tawag?
that's nice.
Beef.
Remy?
Beef.
That's nice. A bit hot, but it's nice.
But chicken naman yan. Beef.
Beef po.
May beef.
Mas mahal lang. Okay na yan.
Sige, sige.
Wala. Tapos, anong rice mo?
Fried rice yata. Masarap.
Egg fried rice na lang. So, tatlong egg fried rice. Tapos, ano, kukuha kaya tayo ng ano, sushi.
Sige ah.
Tag-4 euro.
How much?
Tikman lang natin.
How much?
Dito. Saan ba dyan? Tag-4 euro lang. Tikman lang natin. Avocado no? No? Tuna, salmon. Ito na lang. Drinks nyo, drinks.
Remy?
Drinks.
You want drinks?
Coke.
Drinks.
Coke.
Normal? Abnormal.
Ako, zero.
Zero. 7 up.
Coke. Pwede bang huwag malamig?
Yeah. One Coca-Cola.
Ayaw ko na malamig, friend. Huwag malamig sa akin.
Pilipina.
Hello!
Oh,
Matagal ka na dito? Okay.
Remy?
She's 3 years here now.
I thought you said
3 years.
I thought she was going to give you a discount.
Bakit wala siya dito? Punta tayo.
Baka nandun sa loob.
Sabi ko, bakit mo ako inahayan ng English na ano ka nila? Inaantay ko ano, sabi pa kayo ng ano.
pretty Filipino as well.
Of course. May Pilipina doon.
Hello?
No, I'm talking here. I said, there is a Filipina here. Look. A beautiful Filipina girl.
Taga Rizal.
Taga Rizal. Thank you. Anong pangalan mo, Miss?
Nika po. Nika o
Nisa. Thank you. Di ba lamay ito? Ayoko na malamig.
Mayroon. Can you get me there?
Oh, bago kami magano, nagkape muna kami. Coffee brand.
Ah, yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Ano yun, di ba dapat meron tayong ano dyan? Soup.
Mine.
Try it. It's good.
Good for cold.
How can you eat a soup?
Pero kailangan meron tayong ano, di ba? Hindi. Sopang soup.
Dito.
Hindi, kailangan may sopang soup talaga tayo.
How can you eat the soup?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That?
No, we need a bowl.
Mamaya.
I think it has prawns in it.
No. Baka may kanin yan. Ito walang kanin.
Can you put that there?
Patay, ilagay mo na sa ano.
Sa? Sa? Mia, saan na yung ano ko?
You want? Try? Try some?
Try.
Mm.
Where is it?
Beef.
Try.
With black and salt.
No.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice.
Mm. Nanti baba. Huwag ko lang balipatan. Masarap na yun, no? Ne?
Oh, ayan.
Sarap.
Masarap. Yung soup nila masarap, di ba? Oh, ayan, oh. Naubos lahat. Ano ba to yung... Kunin mo isa. Cheers tayo. Okay, cheers. Walang chopstick. You want one? William, you want one? Try, it's good.
Isang subo kasi mo maputin.
You eat, you enjoy.
Sabi ko sa soba, maputo.
Isa pa. Ren, kuha ka isa. Cheers ulit.
Yes, ka po.
Sarap ano?
Kayo na lang ang ipatuloy sa akin.
May pa isa. Tapos na kami kumain. Nabusog. Kaya na kami. Masarap dito kung sinong gustong pumunta dito, guys. Umami dito sa Quito. Sarap yung pagkain niya. Let's go.
That's right.
No, it's okay. Thank you, Miss Mika. Thank you. Bye. Oh, pasok ka.
Saan?